It's a 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Features include four-wheel vented anti-lock disc brakes, a potent 275 horsepower engine, four-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, and fully independent suspension. It also comes with rack and pinion steering, trailering hitch, dual zone air conditioning, a 6-speaker sound system with a CD player, and numerous power accessories.
No one will complain about the temperature with the dual zone climate control. Heated mirrors improve visibility in frosty weather. The high-quality leather seat trim enhances the style, comfort, and durability of this vehicle's seats, ensuring an enjoyable drive.
With a long list of features, proven mechanical systems, and an expansive cabin, this Trailblazer is a great buy. See it for yourself today.
Come see us today. Sheboygan Auto, 8 brands in 1 location, off Business Drive in Sheboygan, Wisconsin.